Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming which Google account created or last edited the form, because ownership determines visibility. Once signed in, go straight to Google Drive and open My Drive, then click Recent to surface recent activity. Make sure to apply filters. Set type to form and owner to anyone I own or shared with me. These first steps narrow the search quickly. Without them, you'll waste time scanning unrelated files. So act now and lock in the right account immediately. Once you've filtered, use the Drive search bar with precise queries such as type, form plus form title keywords, or unique phrases from the form. Make sure to inspect trash in case it was deleted. If found there, restore it. Next, open shared drives and the Shared With Me view since collaborators might have moved or renamed it. Also launch forms. Google.com and review the editor's recent forms and version history. This reveals edits, owners, and timestamps that explain what happened and where to recover it. To finish, restore the form from trash or, if you can't access it, request owner permissions from the current owner. Use the activity panel to confirm who moved or renamed the file and when. Once recovered, make a copy and update sharing settings to avoid repeats. If the form remains missing, escalate. Contact your Google Workspace admin or check Google Vault for retained records. One key troubleshooting tip: if the form was permanently deleted, immediate admin recovery has the highest chance of success, so act fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.